Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video is going to show you the product status of vitepos. Let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. And if you are already a subscriber to our channel, then thank you so much for subscribing. For displaying private or public products, first we need to go to the admin panel. We get the product status options. One for displaying published products, another one for private products. At a time we can show two types of products, or we can select either published or private products. After selecting published and private products, you can go to the pause menu where the products list should display all the published and private products. Also, you can filter published and private products from product modules. You can also add published or private products while adding a new product. If you select only published or private products in the admin panel, then the products list will show the selected types of products. That concludes our overview of the product status of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.